Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check Valorant Store on your mobile phone. So first, let's head over to Play Store. Then in the search bar, just look for Valorant Store. And in the list of the apps, just look for valking.gg tracker. Click on install. Then once the app is done installing, just click on open. So from here, just make sure that you sign in with your Riot ID, or you can either register your player ID here. And from here, you can easily access the store to Valorant. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily access Valorant Store on your mobile phone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!